In my last video, I trained you how to join, how to work, and how to earn easily using India's one of the best money-making app. In this video, I will reveal you the secret behind on how I become rich using this one single app. To understand clearly the concept and my secret strategy, first you must have already watched my previous video and started working on this app and reached rupees 100 as an opening member in your cash wallet. To know, watch my previous video, click the I button available on the top. So let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Mahesh. Welcome you all at my Potofcash channel. As an opening member, once you reach rupees 100 in your cash wallet, company will promote you to a designation named Star Grade, that is SG. After attaining this grade, here goes the secret. I'm damn sure your eyes will remain wide open in shock, as I was at my initial. If 3 of your direct referrals become Star Grade, that is SG, then you will get promoted to SG1. So here we go. If any 3 people under you become SG, then you will attain SG1 promotion with cash reward of rupees 15. If any 3 people under you become SG1, then you will attain SG2 promotion with cash reward of rupees 45. If any 3 people under you become SG2, then you will attain SG3 promotion with cash reward of rupees 135. Hey wait, don't skip this video, keep watching. I'm sure you will be excited and thank me a lot. If any 3 people under you become SG3, then you will attain SG4 promotion with cash reward of rupees 405 and special reward of 2 days, 1 night stay, that too at Star Category Resort. If any 3 people under you become SG4, then you will attain SG5 promotion with cash reward of rupees 1215 and special reward of rupees 600 worth mobile recharge quarterly up to 12 years, totally free. If 3 people under you become SG5, then you will attain SG6 promotion with cash reward of rupees 3645 and special reward of rupees 20,000 worth brand new mobile phone, totally free. If any 3 people under you become SG6, then you will attain SG7 promotion with cash reward of rupees 10,935 and special reward of 1 foreign trip, 5 days, 4 nights, totally free. If any 3 people under you become SG7, then you will attain SG8 promotion with cash reward of rupees 32,805 and special reward of rupees 1.5 lakhs worth bike, totally free. If any 3 people under you become SG8, then you will attain SG9 promotion with cash reward of 98,415 plus special reward of maximum 3 lakhs worth 6 sovereign of gold, totally free. If any 3 people under you become SG9, then you will attain SG10 promotion with cash reward of rupees 2,95,245 and special reward of rupees 6 lakhs worth brand new car, totally free. If any 3 people under you become SG10, then you will attain SG11 promotion with cash reward of rupees 8,85,735 and you will get a special reward rupees 12 lakhs worth lifetime tension-free pension bond, totally free. If any 3 people under you finally becomes SG11, then you will attain SG12 promotion with cash reward of rupees 26 lakhs 57,205 and you will get even a special bonus of rupees 36 lakhs worth brand new house, totally free. So you or me, after completing all these 12 SG levels, you would have earned already cash reward of total approx 39 lakhs and above plus special reward worth 60 lakhs and above. So when combined both, it's merely approx 1 crore and above. Wow, great, awesome, isn't it? So now let's see some important terms and conditions. To enjoy any benefits of SG levels, you should be at least upgraded with minimum basic membership plan. To become a basic member, company gives you 2 opportunities. First way, purchase rupees 360 worth their face care pack and upgrade instantly as a BM plus SG on the same day. Second way, refer 9 people under you and ask them watch ads and make them reach rupees 100 on their respective cash wallets. And after that, simply screenshot your genealogy tree available at your app's dashboard and send it to me. I will make you instantly convert your ID as a BM. So simple, isn't it? Today's time-saving tip for you all. If you buy rupees 360 worth face care pack, you can become both basic member as well as get star grade promotion instantly today. No need to wait for your account to reach rupees 100 for SG promotion, or no need to refer 9 for become basic member, which by God's the waiting time. Cool, right? Share this excellent tip to your friends. Your time for completing achievements will be boom like a rocket speed, and taste the fruits of success soon. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you all at my next wonderful video.